Why is your artificial intelligence different than others?
For a couple of reasons. So first of all, just to give you a background, we are a UK company and then we serve the finance and real estate sectors. Those are the two sectors that we operate in currently. And then we build this agentic applied AI platform. What applied AI means that we use predictive analytics, we use deep learning, we use generative AI, we combine different unstructured and structured data, supervised learning, unsupervised learning techniques. And then with that, we help companies bring their fragmented data together to help them with either revenue improvement or efficiency improvement, that they can actually improve their performance. The reason that I think our AI is very different is that we brought in PhDs from Stanford University and University of Chicago. These are deep machine learning experts. So when you combine the platform with that deep expertise, and then when you meet with the clients, and then when you create this human in the loop AI, which I will explain what that means, the results actually go fundamentally higher than just AI doing things itself. So the performance almost goes up like 80% on critical, risky decisions and this and that. So it's a applied agentic AI platform using deep expertise from some of the top US universities.
And where do you see opportunity outside the United States?
Well, that is, if you look at the whole, for example, financial sector, it's about a 40 trillion AUM assets under management, but 10 trillion of that comes from the United States. 30 comes from rest of the world. So that includes EU, UK, Gulf countries and everything else. That's a huge amount of money that's being managed. But the gap between the US and the rest of the world is widening so rapidly because the amount of investment, amount of research that goes into AI in the United States is absolutely, and how great it is. And the rest of the world is not making that investment. So the BlackRocks, JP Morgan, Stanley's like JP Morgan has 2,000 AI experts. They're going to bring that to 5,000. They have 200,000 people in their organization being trained on AI. Rest of the world is not doing that. So as a result of that, the gap between these big mega US players and then the rest of the world is going to widen. So we see that 30 trillion market as our market because we can bring these technologies to these European companies, the UK companies, and the Gulf companies. They all need that. So from that point of view, I actually see that as an opportunity to bring them into a level playing field.